let's use round, MROUND, and INT in order to convert these raw hours into different types that we need for billing. So we have our employees in raw hours. For our first example, we want to go ahead and convert these to only 2 decimal places for our raw hours. For this, we would use the round function and then click our number that we want to convert and then our number of digits. So we want to convert to 2 digits after the decimal place. So go ahead and click 2 and then autofill down. Our second, say you only want to bill in 15-minute increments, we're going to go ahead and use the MROUND, and this is the multiplier or the number and then the multiple. So in our case, we want to go ahead and convert this to 0.25 for our multiple. So you're going to go ahead and type 0.25 and then hit enter. And this will show it in the nearest 15-minute increments. And then finally, we want the full hours only. In this case, we want to use the int. So we'll take our raw hours and then go ahead and convert those to ints, and this will only give the full hours.